Hey guys, welcome back to Ignis Quick Tips. Today we have an absolute amazing tip for you here, guys. This is one that I didn't use for the longest time. When I did decide to use it, it was a lot easier for me to lay out tracks, find out where I was up to, and not even just that, when I come back to reference from a track later on, I was able to see what section it was in and what type of movement that I was trying to make. Because sometimes you try and make a movement and then when you go back and you listen to it a couple of days later, you realize, ooh, that's not quite what I wanted to do. But here we go, guys. Let's see if we can get down into this tip and let's see if we can change the way you produce. Put your cursor in the place that you want to add your little marker so you know which section of the track it is. Then once you've done that, you're going to go to the top left part of your arrangement window. You're going to click on this little arrow. You're going to come down to time markers and you're going to say add one. It's going to give you a little box here. You're going to type your name. So in here, I'm going to type chorus. Boom, hit enter and OK, and you can see that a little marker appears at the top here, chorus. Now with the time bar extended, we can actually keep adding more markers as we go. So the first one here is called chorus. We can right click anywhere we want along here. We can say add marker. We can type in new name. I'm just going to type new name right here. And now you can see that it's added another marker here. So it's going to be very easy for us to reference where we are in the track or even add notes to something that maybe we want to change later on. Taking these markers one step further, you can use these markers to set up different functions within Flstudio. Maybe you wanted to start recording when it hits a particular point and stop recording when it hits a particular point in your track. You can do this with markers. It's as easy as pie. You can right click, add the action that you want, tell it to when to start, when to stop, and you're done. Simple as that. Don't worry if you make a mistake though, guys. All you need to do is just right click and then come down to delete and you can remove it just as easily as you added it. Similarly, to rename the track, all you do is you right click and you come down to rename, and now you can call it whatever you wish. So here we'll change this to this, and we're done. If you haven't already, go and check out our website, ignismusic.com, where we upload all the sound packs that we use in our tutorials, including some templates for you to grab and use on Flstudio. Don't worry though if you can't afford it, guys, we will be showing you how to create these templates here on the channel, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.